guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Varsha, back with another video, and this time I have created this look for your Christmas evening. If you guys are interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So if you are someone who is new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I create beauty related or fashion related, skincare related videos. So we have almost completed 1500 subscribers, guys. That's really dreamy. Target is to complete 1600 subscribers before this year ends. It's almost a week remaining, so please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let them enjoy this video and comment down below how do you find this look. Okay guys, so now let's just start. I have washed my face and I have kept all my products over here. So if I'm looking down, it's just because I have more products over there. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first product that I'm using is MAC Prep and Prime. Okay, so I'm using this product to prep my face. So let's just get started. The next product I'm using is LA Pro Concealer, High HD Definition Concealer. This is in the shade Pure Beige. Using this brush to spread my concealer. Okay, so I'm done with my concealer. So the next step is foundation. I am not going to talk much about the base because I'm using the same base and the same products as I have used in my last videos. I hope you guys have watched my last makeup tutorial which I did for Raksha Bandhan. Foundation all over my face. Frankly speaking, I don't have a lot of makeup. I recently started giving interest in buying new products, trying new brands, and it is only because I want to review them for YouTube. Otherwise, I do love makeup, but investing in such high-end products and different products and then I don't end up using them, that is just really heartbreaking. And so yeah, let's just see how this makeup collection journey goes. Okay, so now that we are done with the base, I'm going to do my eye makeup first and then I'll go ahead and do the other steps for my base. For the eye makeup, I am going to use this Colorboard Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. Let me guys show you this first. I am sure you all will be interested to know all the details about this. So if you guys want me to review this and explain you the details, let me know in the comment section below. So the first shade I will be using is this. Okay, so let's just get started. Can you guys see the difference? The pigmentation of this palette is really good. Okay, so the second shade that I'm using is this one. Can you see? It's so pigmented. Blending is the key, guys, for eye makeup. If you can see, we are done with the second shade. I am going to use this peachy pink kind of a shade on my eyelids. This eyeshadow is so pigmented, guys. It is very affordable. I think according to the eyeshadow palettes, according to the prices that you pay for other eyeshadow palettes, it is very inexpensive. I think this is a really good investment. or it is a very good product to invest in if you are a beginner. I just love it. I do my eyes at the same time. If I'm using one color, I'll be doing it for my both of my eyes, and that's how I like doing it. So now the last and the best thing that I'm gonna do for this makeup is this very sexy red shimmer color. This one. I'm gonna use this on my eyelids just a little bit. I don't want to make it unreal because I don't think so. A lot of makeup and a lot of experimental colors. You do it for the makeup tutorials and then you don't end up wearing them for a party or an evening or for any occasion. It is just for the gram or for YouTube. I don't want to do that. I do want you guys to use this makeup tutorials, these tips, and this help in real life and enjoy doing makeup. This is very. The next thing I am doing is using my Color Bar blush. This is in the shade Fallen Leaves 004. It's the time for the best and my favorite thing to do, applying highlighter. No thousand brushes guys, काम चलाओ. Minimum brushes, minimum hassle. A little. We are done with the highlighter. Eyebrow product that I used was from Amis Claire. Next product I am using is this the Colossal Volume Mascara from Maybelline. Can you see the difference guys? It's so good. Time for the lower lash. Oh, this looks a little here and there because I haven't applied kajal yet. Once I apply kajal, this will complete the whole look. Can you see? So good. I see. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to use this lipstick from Smashbox, Always On Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Driver's Seat. My elder sister gifted this to me on my birthday, and I just love it. I just love the lipstick, and I just love my sister. Top this shade with MAC Ruby Woo because we have done a red color eye look. I just want a little bit of tint. I want my lipstick not to, I don't want my lipstick to be on the darker side, but I do want it to match my makeup look. So I'm just gonna top it with Ruby Woo. I think I'm happy. I think I'm totally happy with my makeup. I think this really looks good. Again, using the MAC Prep and Prime to, settle down everything in a place. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just added some earrings and that's it, leaving my hair open. If you guys you guys can go ahead and go with some hairstyle or just curl your hair or straighten or whatever that you want. I'm just keeping it as simple as I like it. Let's just wish for a great beginning and a great year ahead. I wish you guys a very, very, very happy and a Merry Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share and comment down below what do you like about this makeup look. Don't forget to tag me on my Instagram if you recreate this look. I would be the happiest to see you guys follow this video or you guys follow this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.